Percentages are like fractions. Percent means per 100. So you're kind of looking at what fraction of 100 would it be. Hi, I'm Sarah. I've been a STEM teacher for 20 years. I like to make math engaging and fun and not so scary for everyone involved. So if you're looking for tutoring, for in-person tutoring or Zoom tutoring or Cameo micro tutoring, click the link and do the stuff. So like if it's 3/5, you've got something over 100. So 3/5 into 100, you would go like, well, okay, so 5 times 20 is 100. So 3 times 20 would be 60. So 3/5 is 60%, meaning 60 per 100. So that would be 60%. Yes, I know this is a very easy conversion over from 5 to 100. I get that. So if something's a little bit more difficult, right? A little bit more, I'm not even going to say difficult, just a little more complex. Difficult and complex are kind of different things. So if I had something like, I don't know, 5 out of 7, right, equals something over 100. Okay, so we've got this question mark here. Okay, so you're still doing the same idea. It's still the exact same idea. You're figuring out, okay, this number times what gives me 100, right? So if this number times this equals 100, then this 100 divided by 20 gives me 5. So I can use that the same way. So to figure out 7 times what equals 100, what I can do is I can do 100 divided by 7. So 100 divided by 7. I didn't make this very friendly for myself, but we'll go with it. So 7 into 10 goes 1. 1 times 7 is 7. Subtract that, I get 3. I bring down the 0. I get 14. So that's going to be 28. So it's going to be 20. So it's 14.2, let's say. So 7 times about 14.2 gives me 100. So then 5 times 14.2 would give me this percent. Easiest way to do it is if you do 5 divided by 7 times 100, that's going to give you your percent. So 5 divided by 7 times 100 is going to be the same thing as figuring out this whole fractional rate, right? So 5 divided by 7 times 100 is going to give me my percent. So grab this calculator, right? So when you're using these, 5 divided by 7 is 0.71428574143. Usually you round it to like the nearest tenth, maybe, depends on what your teacher says. So that would be 5 divided by 7 times 100 is going to give us 71.4%. So it's the same idea, right? So you've got 5 out of 7 is the same thing as 71.4 out of 100%. Like century? That's where percentages come from. That's MathedUp.